YouTube, welcome. This is my first video, so go easy on me, pappy. Right, let's go into my top 10 ways to make money as a teenager and then invest it in property or other investments. You can do any of these things from approximately 17 months old, so there is no excuse. Ready? Go. Number 1, eBay. If you haven't heard of eBay and you live in the 21st century, eBay is a platform where you can sell stuff from electronics to PS4s, to children, to DVDs, you name it, everything. If you aren't selling on eBay, then get doing it. Right after this video, literally as this video finishes, go into your bedroom, go into your mum's bedroom, go around your house, find stuff to sell on eBay, old stuff that you don't use anymore. You can rack up 20, 40, 50, 100 quid, go next door neighbours, try and scrape up as much stuff as you can, sell it on eBay. It's a no-brainer. That's number 1. Number 2, starting a business. Pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? When you are 15, 13 or 17 months old, the business you're going to start isn't going to be a digital media marketing agency or a multi-million-pound property portfolio. It's going to be something like a gardening business, car washing, landscaping. That's what I did. So I started up with a company called Green and Clean. Wonderful name. Really good stuff there, felt really good. Landscaping and car washing. It was £10 an hour car washing, £10 an hour landscaping at 15 years old. It's like, you can't go wrong, can you? £10 an hour, get more money than all your mates, £15 an hour, and you're running your own business. I had 3 clients at the time. You can scale it up pretty easily, get people working for you. It's a no-brainer. Number 3, selling a service. So this can be as simple as any of your skills that you have. You may be really good at taking pictures, photography, you may have a camera. Nowadays, just using an iPhone, you can get some pretty sick shots. Video editing, recording videos, videographer. If you have any skills that you can monetize, do it. Get them on Etsy, different platforms, Fiverr, Upwork. Get your stuff out there, get making money, sell a service because of it's pretty easy to do, and nowadays there's no age limit on it really. If you've got a skill, it doesn't matter how young you are, nowadays if you're good at a service, it's going to sell.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Number 4, retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, it's the big one, everyone's heard of it. And it is a really good way to make money. I'm still doing retail arbitrage. I've been doing it for years now. What is retail arbitrage? So, retail arbitrage is buying stuff low and selling it high. Traditional retail arbitrage is going into stores at the minute, like Sainsbury's, Tesco's, John Lewis, going into discount sections, discount aisles, clearance aisles, and buying stuff cheap that you can sell on eBay or Amazon at full price, and you make the markup is the difference. And this works really well. I've done it in John Lewis recently. There was a clearance sale, bought 70% off speakers. They were £300 a piece, I think. Bought 3 of them, sold them all on eBay within a week, and it was £100 profit per item, per speaker. It's a no-brainer. I mean, it's half an hour's work to go and buy it and put it on eBay. So retail arbitrage, make sure you're doing it. You can do it with clothes, you can do it with anything. It's a great way to start flipping items, put some cash in your pocket, and start getting that money coming in, ready to invest. Number 5 is YouTube channel. This thing. YouTube is a great way to make money if you can monetize your videos. I'm not speaking from experience here, as this is my first video. I'm speaking from other people's experience, doing research, knowing that if you can grow a channel quite quickly, which is possible nowadays with the amount of people on YouTube, you can monetize your channel through advertising and Amazon affiliates, and you can start making money through YouTube quite easily. Easy to do, film on your phone, upload it, done. Number 6, get a fucking job. It's something people don't want to do. You want to make money easily, but at the age of 15, 14, 16, 17, you need a job. You need that money coming in to then use for retail arbitrage, to then use to buy stuff to sell on eBay, to start a business. You need startup costs, you need lawnmowers, cutters, whatever the fuck you need. You need some money to go. So get a part-time job, £8 an hour, whatever it is, and then use that to invest in your companies or your other businesses, and then you can quit your part-time job. Number 7 is invest. Start putting that money you've been making from the other businesses and investing into stocks and shares, smaller investments, shares in companies. If you do know a lot about cryptocurrencies, then jump on the crypto hype. Do your research, start to invest. You can invest from as little as £100 on platforms like Hargreaves and Lansdowne. It's easy to do. Get out there, start making some money. Number 8, drop shipping. This is another great one, e-commerce websites. Dropshipping is when the user purchases an item off of your website. The order comes through, then you put the order in with a different website, the supplier, who sends it straight to them. You buy off the supplier, say £5 a piece, they buy off you for £10 a piece. You're making a £5 markup without holding any stock. That is dropshipping in a nutshell. It's a great way to do if you can build up a store. It's a very saturated market. That is one thing I say. There is hella dropshipping stores. You need to pick a niche for it to work. I've had dropshipping stores, Rip Catwalk Shades. It wasn't niche enough and it didn't really take off. Made a couple £100 profit, but for the saturated market I was in, the competitive market, I needed to be uploading a lot more than I was to be making profit. So if you are going to do that, make sure you've got the time to put into it. It takes a lot of work to get off the ground, but when you do, it can be really profitable with no stock and starting from £30 a month for a dropshipping store. So that's another great one to be starting as young as 15 or 17 months old. I've seen some pretty rich babies. Number 9, and this is flipping, garage sailing. Similar to eBay, selling stuff on eBay and retail arbitrage, but this is more second-hand goods. This is going to garage sales. We're in England, Felix. This is going to car boot sales, buying stuff for really discounted price. The benefit of car booting is that you can negotiate the price down. You know what you're looking for, you negotiate the price down, get it for absolutely nothing and whack it on eBay. Generic flipping, however, can be done with anything. You can scale up to even flipping cars, no-ball the shit out of people, put in really low offers. There's the saying, if the offer doesn't offend you, it's not low enough. That cannot be true with flipping or putting offers in property or anything. Put in an embarrassing low offer. If they say no, fuck it. If they say yes, then you've got yourself a fantastic deal. Whack it back up online. Flipping cars, it's going to be done really well. I know people that are making a lot of money doing that at a young age. So get doing that. Number 10, the final one. This is it. The last one, and this one is actually quite interesting, which I only came across recently and have given it a go. And that is, again, flipping, but flipping Instagram pages. You can buy Instagram pages when they have low followers. We're looking at 20,000 followers, but they have a really good engagement rate. That's what you're looking for with Instagram pages. Buying pages when they have a really good engagement rate and low following is how you can make serious money from flipping Instagram pages. If you've got a page with 20k followers and they're getting 10,000 likes per page with an insanely good engagement rate, put in an offer to buy it. Again, low offer, lowball the shit out of them. You buy the Instagram page, you get control of it. Once you've got control of it, continue to post on it, the same sort of niche it's in, keep uploading and grow that following exponentially until you get to a point a year down the line where you can flip it for 10 times what you bought it for, and it's a really good way to make money. Along the way, you're also getting paid through Instagram adverts, people asking you to promote their goods, so you've got that cash flow coming in, but also the capital appreciation at the end of it. It's kind of like property. In fact, it's exactly like property in the way that you get cash flow and capital appreciation from the page. It's a fantastic way to get going. If you follow any meme pages with 20,000 followers, 10,000 followers, your little niche, you might follow really weird Marvel, porn, comics, I don't know, offer to buy the page for a low price, flip it in a few years' time. So there it is, my top 10 ways that I've tried and tested, some of them, to make money and invest it into other ventures like property. Hopefully this video wasn't a complete waste of time for you and you did learn something new that you haven't learned before. You can go out and implement it and try and make some P. I hope this video wasn't a complete waste of time and you did learn something new that you can go away and implement now. You can go away, make some money, make some P. Please like and subscribe and all that, and peace.